Welcome to my third tutorial on Erlang. Today we're going to talk about variables, comparison operators, and tuples. Starting with variables. Variables start with uppercase letters. They are not explicitly typed or need to be pre-declared. And an example would be don't forget the period. Variables are single assignments only and cannot be reassigned, or else you get an exception error. For example, x equals x plus 1. Now we're going to talk about the comparison operators. An example would be equality. So for example, 5 compared to 5. Not the equality symbol equals 2 dots equals, which is true. But we cannot compare using that symbol an integer and a floating point. We get false. To compare an integer and a floating point, we use the double equal symbol, which is true. We can always test for inequality, which is equals / equals, so 1 not equals to 0. There are also many operators that can be used in Erlang. For example, the less than, the greater than, greater than equals to. I'm going to provide a link below for a list of operators that can be used. Finally, we're going to talk about tuples. Tuples as like structs, no need to declare the type, and they can contain anything. An example of a tuple would be as you can see, a tuple contains an atom, an integer type, a floating point, and a second atom. To get the element in the first position of an atom, we use the element function. To replace an element in a tuple, we can reassign it to tuple 2. So we use the set element function. So we're replacing the second item in the tuple T with a different value of 99. So T2 now contains 99, but T still hasn't changed. This is because variables are single assignments only and they cannot be reassigned. To get the size of a tuple, we use the tuple size function. Contains 4 elements, which are atom, 24, 2.4, and another tuple. That concludes my tutorial for today. Thank you.